Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is Digital Maturity Assessment. It only covers a couple of years and I'm going to show you what we've got. So it's just data for 2016 and 2017, 86,000 rows, and these are the three tables. I'll show you what's in there. So assessment score by theme. These are the different themes you can see here. Care settings, I suppose, is the other word for it. And the measure names. There's also the question and answer scores. These are the types. Sections, if I just expand that so you can see all the sections. And then the questions. The questions, there are 314. I'll just page down them and you can have a look if you want to pause the video. So that's page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the third table, section scores. See the care settings there again, and these are the measures. And again, I'll just page down them so you can see them. Well, actually, there is only one page. And that is digital maturity. Thanks.